Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 3,111 squared plus 2,889 squared. So to solve this, I'm going to rewrite this as 3,000 plus 111 squared plus 3,000 minus 111 squared. Now if I have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And if I have something in the form a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So 3,000 plus 111 squared is equal to 3,000 squared plus 2 times 3,000 times 111 plus 111 squared. And now I have this plus 3,000 squared minus 2 times 3,000 times 111 plus 111 squared. So these two, negative 2 times 3,000 times 111 and positive 2 times 3,000 times 111 cancel out. So I'm left with 3,000 squared plus 3,000 squared plus 111 squared plus 111 squared, which is the same thing as 2 times 3,000 squared plus 2 times 111 squared. So now if I factor out 2, I get 2 times 3,000 squared plus 111 squared. Now 3,000 squared is equal to 9 million. And 111 squared, we can actually solve this right here. 111 times 111 it's 12321. So I have 2 times 9 million plus 12321, which is just 2 times 9,012,321. So 2 times this is going to be 18,024,642. So this is my solution to this problem. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of 12 minus 1 is equal to 0. So to solve this, I'm going to first rewrite this as x to the power of 6 to the power of 2 minus 1 squared is equal to 0. And the reason I'm doing this is so I can use the property a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So this turns into x to the power of 6 plus 1 times x to the power of 6 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this gives me two equations. I get x to the power of 6 plus 1 equals 0, and x to the power of 6 minus 1 equals 0. Now I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to rewrite x to the power of 6 minus 1 equals 0 as x to the power of 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 squared is equal to 0. So I can use this property again and get x to the power of 3 plus 1 times x to the power of 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, for x to the power of 3 minus 1 equals 0, I'm going to rewrite this as x to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 equals 0, so I can use the property a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this turns into a minus b times a squared plus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Sorry, this turns into x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, which gives me yet another two equations. So now I have x minus 1 equals 0 and x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0. So for x minus 1 equals 0, all I have to do is add 1 on both sides, and I get x is equal to 1. And for x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0, I can use the quadratic formula. So by using it, I get x is equal to -1 plus or minus the square root of 3i over 2. So these are two more solutions. And now we aren't done yet because we also have to solve these. So now I have x to the power of 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. And I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides, so I get x to the power of 3 is equal to -1, meaning x is also equal to -1. So this is another solution. Now for x to the power of 6 plus 1 equals 0, I'm going to again subtract 1 on both sides. So I get x to the power of 6 is equal to -1, and if I take the 6th root, I get x is equal to 6th root of -1, which is equal to -1 to the power of 1 over 6. So now, the 6th root of -1 is, say, we know that I is equal to the square root of -1, which is equal to -1 to the power of 1/2. So -1 to the power of 1 over 6 is the same thing as -1 to the power of 1/2 minus something. So now 1 over 6, or I should say 1/2 minus 1 over 6 is equal to 1 over 3. So 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3 is equal to 1/2. We know this. Meaning we have -1 to the power of 1 over 6 and this plus, or sorry, 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 is what we can rewrite 1 over 6 as. Now, this is the same thing as 1/2 plus -1 over 3. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this is going to equal -1 to the power of 1/2 times -1 to the power of -1 over 3. -1 to the power of 1/2 is the square root of -1, which is equal to I. So we get I times -1 to the power of -1 over 3, which is the same thing as 1 over -1 to the power of 1 over 3, which is equal to -1. So I get I times -1, which is equal to -I, which is my final solution.